Hello students, welcome to my YouTube channel Sun Academy. I am Naresh Sir. Today in this lecture we are going to solve a question of a flexible budget in cost accounts. As you can see, the given question is the annual flexible budget of Rama Manufacturing Company is as follows. At 60%, 80% and 100% capacity, amount of direct material is given 432, 5,76,000 and 7,20,000, while wages are 5,76,000, 7,68,000 and 9,60,000. Similarly, factory overheads are 336, 384 and 432. Administrative overheads are 1,44,000, 1,68,000 and 1,92,000. While selling and distribution overheads are 2,40,000, 2,78,400 and 3,16,800. Then after it has been given that company presently operates at 50% capacity and sales product at 15,36,000. Prepare flexible budget at 50% and 75% capacity and find profit and per unit cost. Unit produced at 50% capacity are 5,000 units. Now as students at 50% capacity 5,000 units are already given. Units are 5,000. So obviously at 75% capacity units will be 7,500 units. But as you can see that material wages are totally variable, 100% variable, but factory overheads, administrative overheads and selling and distribution overheads are semi-variable. There is a hidden adjustment in that which I will show you how to solve. First, that is Rama Manufacturing Company. First, we will need material. Then after wages at each capacity. For material, at 60 it is 4,32,000. So at 50 what will be the amount? That means 432 into 5 divided by 6 will simply give the amount of material. 4,32,000 divided by 6 into 5, that is 360. And it will be same for the 75% capacity. 4,32,000 divided by 6 T into 75, that is 5,40,000. Now if I have to find per unit amount of material, then I will divide 540 divided by 7,500, so that is 72 rupees, and 360 will be divided by 5,000, and that will also be the same amount. Now if I come for wages at 60% capacity, that is 5,76,000. So what will be the at 50% capacity? 576 divided by 6 into 5, 4,80,000, and divide by 5 into 7.5, that comes to 7 lakh. You can do that 576 divide by 6 into 7.5. So at 50% capacity, wages are 4 lakh 80,000 and this is 7 lakh 20,000 at 75% capacity. Now to find per unit, 480 is to be divided by 5,000 and 720, that will also give the same amount. Now this is prime cost. This is called prime cost. Material, direct labor, direct expenses and other direct any expense. 360 plus 480, that is 8 lakh 40,000, 9 and 2 6 and 2 8 and 540 plus 720, 12 lakh 60,000. Now will come factory overheads, which includes fixed and variable. See how fixed and variable are to be found from the at 80% capacity. Those are 3 lakh 84,000, while at 60% capacity, that is 3 lakh 36,000. 384, 336. Now what is to be done? Difference is to be found out. This will be 20% difference and this will be 384 minus 336, 48,000. So for 20% variable overheads are 48,000. So for 1%, 48,000 divided by 20 will be 2,400. Now you see, for every 1% variable factory overheads are 2,400. That means total overheads are at, we are taking it at 60%. Total overheads are 3 lakh 36,000, out of which variable will be 60 into 2,400, 1 lakh 44,000. So 1 lakh 92,000 will be fixed factory overheads. How I did it? First of all, you have to find the difference. Difference is 20%, while figure difference is 48,000. That means for every 1% variable overheads are 2,400. If I take at 60% capacity, total overheads are 3,36,000, out of which variable are 60 into 2,400, 1,44,000. That means 1,92,000 are, which will be the same at every capacity. Which will be same at every capacity. Now variable for 50% capacity, it will be 50 into 2,400 and 75 into 2,400. That will be 1,20,000 and 1 lakh 80,000. Now to find per unit, I will divide 192 with 5,000. So that will be 38.4 and this will be 24. And fixed will be 25.6. This is called works cost. 840 plus 192 plus 120, 11 lakh 52,000, and per unit will be 168 plus 38.4 plus 24, 230.4. And at 75% capacity, 12 lakh 60,000 plus 1 lakh 92,000 plus 1 lakh 80,000, 16 lakh 32,000, and 168 plus 25.6 plus 24, 217.6. Now same calculation will be done for office overheads at 80% capacity. Those are 168, and at 60% those are 144. So difference is 24,000 divided by 20. For every 1 percentage variable overheads are 1200 office variable overheads. Now total overheads at 60% capacity are 1,44,000, out of which variables 60 into 1200 will be 72,000. So fixed will be also 72,000. Now office overheads, fixed and variable. Fixed 72 at both capacities, while variable 50 into 1200 and 75 into 1200. 60,000 and 90,000. That will give us cost of goods sold 11 lakh 52,000 plus 1 lakh 32,000, 12 lakh 84,000, and this will be 16 lakh 32,000 plus 1 lakh 62,000, 17 lakh 94,000. Now to find per unit, this will be 14.4 and this will be 12 plus, so total will be 256.8. Now for 75% capacity, this is 9.6 and 12. So 239.2 will be the cost of goods sold. Now selling and distribution overheads, fixed and variable 80% and at 60% are 2,78,400, while 2,40,000 are at 60% capacity. So difference is 20 and of amount difference is 38,400. So 38,400 if divided with 20, for every 1 percentage it is 1920. Now total overheads at 60% capacity are 2,40,000. Variable 60 into 1920, that is 1,15,200. So fixed are 1,24,800. Variable 50 into 1920 and 75 into 1920, 96,000, and 1,44,000. Now to find per unit 1,24,800 divided by 5,000, 24.96 and 19.2. Total cost per unit is 300.96, while amount is 15,04,800, and here it is 16.64, and this will be the same 19.20. So 239.2 plus 16.64 plus 19.2 is 275.04, and amount is 20,62,800. Now sale was given. This is total cost. Sales is given 15,36,000. So profit will be 31,200 divided by 5,000, 6.24, and selling price per unit is 307.20. Now for 75% capacity nothing is said, so we won't find it. We have already done for 50% for which the information is given. Now if I repeat, as direct material and direct wages are totally variable, so amount of that is to be found out easily. Material at 60% capacity is 432. So 432 divided by 6 into 5, that was 360 divided by 5072. Here per unit amount will be same, so 72 into multiplied by 7500, that will 5,40,000. And if come to wages, 5,76,000 divided by 6 into 5, 480 divided by per unit is 96. Same amount will be kept in the column of per unit and multiplied with 7500, which will give you 720 plus 540, 1260, and 168,168 here also will be the same. Now if we come to the factory overheads, in that fixed and variable both are included. So how to bifurcate this? First you have to find the difference, divided that difference to the difference of amount, which will give 2400. That means for every one person variable overheads are 2400. So if I take it for 60%, total overheads are 336, variable 60 into 2400, 144. That means fixed factory overheads are 192. Now 192 divided by 5000, 38.4, and 192 divided by 7500 will give us 25.6. And fixed are 192, while variable 50 into 2400, 120 divided by 5000 gave us 24. Here same amount will be kept into 7500, gave us 1,80,000. Now 168 plus 38.4 plus 24 to 30.4, and 25.6 plus 24 plus 168 gave us 217.6, and amount 1260 plus 192 plus 180, 16,32,000, while here amount is 840 plus 192 plus 120, 11,52,000. This is work cost. Similarly, office overheads are found variable and fixed. For 20% difference, the difference is 24,000. That means for 1% it is 1200. So 1200 into 50, 60,000, and 1200 into 75, that is 90,000. Per unit is 12, and here per unit is same 12. While fixed are 72,000, so 72,000 divided by 5,000 gave us 14.4, and 72,000 divided by 7500 gave us 9.6, plus 12 plus 217.6 to 39.2, while figure 17,94,000. Here 230 plus 256.8 and 72 plus 60 plus 11,52,000, 12,84,000. This is cost of goods sold or office costs. Last, it is selling and distribution overheads. For 20% difference, amount is 38,400. That means for every 1% it is 1920. And total overheads at 60% are 240, variable 1,15,200. So fixed are 1,24,800 divided by 5,000, 24.96, while for another capacity that was 16.64, while variable 50 into 1920, 96,000 divided by 5,000, 19.2, 19.2 into 7,500, 144 plus 124,800 plus 17 lakh 94,000, 20 lakh 62,800 is the total cost at 75% capacity, while 15 lakh 4,800 is the total cost at 50% capacity, and profit is 31,200. In this way, sincerely, if you attempt these kind of sums, then you won't do any mistake at any point. If you like our lectures, if you like subjects we teach, do follow, do comment, and please share our link to others also.